should be at home watching TV, you know. It's not even a picture in there. Where is well even needed?
You call the door dirty, man.
Utter rubbish.
How is
Wrong.
this door open?
What type of foolishness is this?
Nobody there.
Oh, half an hour. And him just a come. I shouldn't even open the door.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
What a place look bossy.
Good morning.
No, sir. It is afternoon, sir.
Take a seat. What you doing?
Wrong chair, me take, sir.
Put it back.
A damn fool there.
Sit down. What you doing, young man?
Man, no, sir. Me a little boy.
Get up.
Look like this a man come here to exercise me, you know. This a man here was lunges.
Sit down in the chair.
You're really confusing, sir. First you tell me to take the chair, and now you want to tell me to sit down.
Young man, do you know why you're here?
No, sir.
What? Do you know of this book?
Yes, sir. What you doing with my book?
What is your name?
Little brother, sir.
Likkle brother?
Brother, sir. But you can call me Likkle.
Okay. I am concerned about what you are writing.
This a man going to give me one warm time, you know.
I am fast like Flash.
Yes, sir.
I can lift 1,000 tons.
Yes, sir.
In the future, I would like to be Superman.
Yes, sir. Me a super boy already.
Look like this man trying to take me for an idiot.
Sir, you're an idiot all by yourself.
But wait, I never said that out loud.